guys, thank you very much for the EDLAB Education Grant. My name is René Braüer, and I'm the Global Citizenship Coordinator at the School of Business and Economics here at Maastricht University. My research is also all on creativity, and I hope to bring a lot of that into this project. This project is about Global Citizenship Education Vision Days. So the idea is that we want to make global citizenship education and sustainable development more actionable, more inspirational. So the idea is to clarify what global citizenship education is, number one. Number two, to help you discover your vision for making the world a better place for yourself through education and what do you want for the world. And number three, to come up with implementation plans in practice, educational practice, on how we can develop staff and students to become the change makers who will drive positive change in the world. So we'll do my best to make it as exciting and inspirational as possible, and hopefully I will see you all there. Looking forward to getting started.